Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a seller's permit in California. First, understand if your business activities require this permit. Next, gather all necessary business and personal identification documents. Finally, decide whether to apply online or visit a field office for assistance. This initial preparation ensures a smooth application process for your new venture. When applying, you will need your Social Security number or Federal Employer Identification number. Be ready to provide your full legal business name, physical address, and contact information. You'll also need to estimate your average monthly taxable sales and the value of your inventory. Having these details ready will significantly speed up your application. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for playing music, setting reminders, or even helping you manage your business tasks hands-free. Check the description for the link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. To start, navigate to the California Department of Tax and Fee Administration, or CDTFA, website. Locate the online seller's permit application and fill out all required fields carefully. Double-check for any errors before submitting. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation, and the CDTFA will process your application. After your application is approved, you will receive your official seller's permit and an account number. This permit authorizes you to collect sales tax from customers. It is crucial to understand your responsibilities for collecting and remitting sales tax. Remember to file your sales tax returns regularly, either monthly, quarterly, or annually, as assigned.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.